Zuma's son, Duduzane, goes on trial on 2 charges of culpable homicide in the Randburg Magistrates Court on Tuesday. This after his car rammed into a taxi, killing passengers Phumzile, Dube and Nanki Mashaba in 2014. Between 10 and 12 state witnesses are expected to be called to testify.
5 years after the fatal crash, Duduzane Zuma will finally have his day in court. At least 3 people are expected to take the stand on day 1. Well, the taxi driver behind the wheel on that fateful day in February 2014 is likely to be one of the state's witnesses. Initially, the National Prosecuting Authority had declined to charge Zuma, but reviewed that decision after AfriForum announced plans to pursue a private prosecution.
We have assisted the Dube family to submit an application for a nolle prosecution certificate earlier this morning to prosecute Mr. Duduzane Zuma on a charge of culpable homicide.
Well, an inquest just months after the crash found that Zuma had been negligent in causing the vehicle collision. The family of one of the victims, Phumzile Dube, had this to say then.
What can I say? Relieved, but now we'll have to wait to hear what the courts do.
Well, given his presence at previous court appearances, former President Jacob Zuma may well be at his son's side again. Well, the media has been granted permission to film inside court, but only before formal proceedings and after the court has adjourned. Lewis, SABC News, at the Randburg Magistrates Court.